Assalamu alaikum students. Today there are the words that we are going to discuss. These are modal verbs. What are modal verbs, where to use modal verb, and how to use modal verb, we'll read in this topic. Let's read what are modal verbs. Modal verbs actually the kind of helping verbs and always are followed by a first form of the verb. It means that modal verbs are the verbs. These are actually the helping or auxiliary words, but after these words you always put the first form of the verb. What are modal verbs now? Modal verbs are can, could, shall, should, must, may, might, will, would. These are the words that are known as modal verbs. Now the question is where to use modal verb and how to use modal verb. Now modal verbs can be used to express your ability, your disability, permission and advice. When you when you want to advise the next person, or you want to tell about the obligations, or you want to give the suggestion, then you use the verb of modal verbs. Example of the modal verbs here. Here is can, could. David can speak 3 languages. Here is the ability of David, can, and after can you are applying the first form of the verb. So next is he could speak fluent French when he was 5. Again, this is the ability of a person, and this is the modal verb, and after the modal verb you are using the first form of the verb. Next we have may. May I borrow your dictionary? Here may is for the permission. When you want to say may I come in, it means this is also the permission, and for permission you use the modal verb may. Next you have should. What is should? Should is the modal verb that you can use for for giving the suggestion to the person in front of you. For example here, you should visit your dentist at least twice a year. आपको अपने डेंटिस्ट को, दंतांसाज को, 2 साल में 2 दफ़ा मिलना चाहिए. So here is a suggestion, and after the modal verb should you are applying the first form of the verb. Next you should try to lose weight. Again the suggestion. Okay, would you please sit here? Would is also the modal verb, and you use in the situation in which you want to convey your message, or you want to request next person in a very polite way. So this is a very polite way to say please do this thing or that thing. So would you please sit here? This is also for taking the permission. Next must. You must follow traffic rule. Must is for the obligation. When you want to clear up the obligation, and you want to tell about the obligation, then you use the modal verbs as must. So must and should has the both same type of meanings, but should is just in the way of suggestion, and must will be in the way of obligation. Obligation means fariza, first, very necessary thing. So these are about the modal verbs. If you find out any confusion or problem, you can discuss with me.